Hello, dear friends. In this video, we intend to fund our Vantage Markets account using USDT TRC20. We log into the account. Within the User Panel section of the interface, we will first select the V-Wallet option from the menu.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Once you are here, you have the ability to fund your personal account using various cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, or USDT, along with several other available options. Simply select the specific funding option you want to use. In this section, you select your desired coin from among the coins that you have the option to choose. Select your preferred network, such as ERC20, TRC20, etc. Using the wallet address shown, you can copy this wallet address. Simply copy and paste the address into the Send Wallet section of your personal digital wallet application. Or alternatively, use your mobile device to scan the unique QR code you see displayed right here with your wallet. As you can see, the minimum deposit using this method is $50, and it takes about 5 minutes to fund your account and complete the deposit process with this method. Before making a deposit, be sure to review the important points related to depositing. Carefully check the deposit address to make sure it matches exactly with the address displayed, otherwise your assets may be lost. Make sure that the blockchain network you select matches your deposit address. If you intend to use the TRC20 network for your transfer, please be absolutely sure to select the correct network option right here in the menu. Currently, deposits are possible from a variety of 4 different cryptocurrencies and 7 distinct networks that are clearly listed in this specific section. Once you have successfully funded your account with your chosen assets, you can easily review the entire record of your activity in the transaction history section at your convenience. Depositing through this method is very secure, and this platform provides deposit and withdrawal services through a reputable third-party exchange. And if your deposit is not recorded, there could be several reasons. One reason could be that your transaction has not yet been confirmed on the blockchain, the selected token or network is not supported, or the deposit address was incorrect. These are some of the possible issues that may occur. Before making a deposit, be sure to check these sections to ensure your deposit is processed correctly. Alright, we will transfer the amount to this wallet address. The minimum is $50. We have deposited the amount. You need to wait a few minutes until you can see this transaction in the transaction history section. When you fund your account, you will also receive an email from the broker. As you can see, the $50 you deposited has been received by the broker, and we should also see $50 in our account. In the deposit history section, you can see that the $50 has been successfully credited to the account. Here as well, we have a $50 USDT balance. If you are looking to move these funds over to your personal trading account, simply navigate to the menu and select the transfer option to begin the process. In the From section, select the balance in the wallet you have. When you are ready to use your USDT wallet, carefully select your primary standard account within the TU section. And then, in the designated amount field, make sure to enter the total available balance that you currently have in your possession. And then select the Submit option. Go ahead and select the Confirm Transfer button on the screen so that the specific amount is moved from our digital wallet into our personal account. Our request was completed successfully. When we navigate over and click directly on the View in Order option, you will notice a confirmation message appearing right here indicating that we have successfully finished the entire process. You should now be able to see the updated balance in the account section, which clearly indicates the fact that we have transferred exactly $50 to the MetaTrader 5 account as well as the standard account. In future videos, we will be with you, dear viewers, to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in the Vantage Markets broker. Wishing you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.